Confluent Speaker book. Let's take a look at the index and chapters. It has 4 sections: mindset, knowledge, practice, and feedback. It talks about feedback and talks about how you become a confident, fluent, independent speaker. First, it talks about speaking by speaking philosophy. बोलने से बोलना आता है philosophy. It's insight, the confidence, the right mindset, how to shift your identity, how to become an independent learner so that you don't have to depend on colleges and courses and teachers. Don't fear fear. It talks about fear, your stage fear, somebody will judge me, my grammar will be wrong, that. How to see courses. I'm not saying that courses are not important. I'm saying you need to look at courses in a different angle. So that light, you will see that light here. Your language is always growing. How to look at language as a plant rather than a course, 3-month course. How to become a confident speaker, what a confident speaker is, what is self-sabotage, कैसे आप अपना खुद का confidence kill करते हो by your mindset, by the negative thoughts. So what, how to deal with mistakes and all, and the price and the price you are paying for not speaking confidently and the price you will get for speaking confidently. Second section talks about knowledge, आपका खुद का knowledge, आपके world view. So knowledge, grammar knowledge, but that's just one chapter. Knowledge of the world, you need to have the knowledge of the world around you. You must be reading books, stories, how to collect knowledge from those places, how to have knowledge of unique things, and how to have knowledge of your own field, of course. And then we talk about how AI and you together can do magic in knowledge section. And later on, then we talk about practice. Ultimately, the core of every speaking activity is practice. So this one talks about how to practice. Know it, do it. Knowing is one thing, doing is another thing. Ignore the horn in the background. Knowing is one thing, doing is another thing. So how to know about practice and then how to actually practice speaking English. Swim regularly, speaking aloud, how to create speaking opportunities even without AI, how to create speaking opportunities in real life, how to run the marathon, how practice impacts your overall confidence and fluency, what happens when you push past your comfort zone, and how you can practice under pressure. So overall, these things will be addressed here in this section. And lastly, how to take feedback, why is there a guru required, whether they are required or not, how AI can help you in feedback. So this thing talks about ultimately how you can improve your feedback thing, and that will help you become a more confident, fluent, independent speaker. And lastly, you see the road ahead for you as a confident speaker. तो आप पहले confident speaker बनोगे, फिर आप 3 लोगों को confident speaker बनाओगे, उसके बाद आप उन 3 लोगों को बोलोगे, आगे 3 लोगों को confident speaker बनाना. So that's what the idea is. Ultimately, you will see moving beyond the book. And one of the most favorite chapter I have is Stop Reading, Start Speaking. So this book will not ask you to keep reading it forever. You read it, get the idea, get clarity, and then stop reading, start speaking. So that's the Confluent Speaker book for you.